Assalamualaikum, welcome back and stay tuned to our channel. Today I show that how can we work on run option shortcut key command. So let us start, don't waste time. LUS user management mgr.msc user management msc. Now enter. Using this command you can open the local user and groups manager where you can edit several properties of all the user and groups. Again, this command will only work on Windows 10 Pro. To use it, Windows 10 Home install third-party alternative. So now click on user and install here. If you want to create and groups administrator, you add here. This is the principle lusermanagement.msc lusermgr.msc. So turn on MS Info 32. That's mean Microsoft Information 32. MS Info 32. Now press on enter. Look the display, system information, your all our components, Windows and laptop hardware, the share feature. Look the name of OS name Microsoft Windows 10 Pro version 10.0.19043 build 19043. Other OS description not available. OS manufacturer Microsoft Corporation. System name, that's called the device name Lifeway. System manufacturer, this brand name is Dell included, and system model name Inspiron 32, 35 and 1. If the any stickers in your laptop are forget or mistakes, you here look your name. System type 64-bit PC. System SQA XXX123 has AVA. Processor, this is the most important for every Windows and hardware and laptop desktop. Intel R Core i5 3370 CPU at the rate 1.80 GHz. This is old here and is low to core 4. BIOS version and date Dell 0103201. This is the starting time of your laptop BIOS setup. So I continue this laptop 2013, at least 8 years. SM BIOS version 2.7. Now update on 5 and 4 above. Embedded control version 10.01. BIOS model legacy. That's how can we boot our Windows system. This is called legacy. Baseboard manufacturer that included baseboard product 06X37M, baseboard version 800, platform role mobile, secure boot state unsupported, and all are your every information here. Now just one click. This is the most important here, BIOS date version. This is the starting time of laptop. Understood? And look here, the initial physical memory only 4 GB, time zone Bangladesh, username lightweight/9, and total physical memory 3.88 GB, available physical memory 340 RAM, available physical memory, this is most important. Total virtual memory 6.75 GB, available virtual memory 1.32 GB. Page file space is 2.88 GB. Page file C clone page file.system. kernel DMA protection of virtualization based security not available here. So all our information here, just one command. Windows plus R. Now type on clean mgr, CLEAN, clean mgr. This command allows to open the Windows Disk Cleanup utility. Once open, simple select the drive you want to clean up and click then OK button. Disk Cleanup. This is the scanning any drive. If you click selected on any drive like C, D, E, I've selected the D, E drive or C drive. Now press on OK. So it's working and clean my disks available here. Disk cleanup calculating how much space you will. Okay. Are you sure to want permanent delete this file? If I delete this file, I select on permanent delete. This is the cleaning a disk. Event viewer.msc. This command Windows Event Viewer is where Windows stores all the monitoring and troubleshooting messages. You can use this command to quickly access the Event Viewer application. Look here, Event Viewer. So any troubleshoot monitoring here, you look this action Event Viewer, open log. Is any problem or troubleshoot here, you look this screen easily and fast. Application, no more any notification here. So any message for your Windows, you look here and notification bar available all time. Sometimes we need any calculator help on mobile phone or laptop. The how can shortcut command is Windows plus R. Now type on cal, C-A-L-C, cal, and press enter. If you want to quickly open the built-in Windows calculator app, typing CLK in the command dialog box is the easiest way to for it easily. Now you use, it's very simple. CMD command then is most important in PowerShell. If you work on PowerShell in Windows, now type on PowerShell. It is the most important for Windows. Command prompt above the PowerShell is very most important. If the command prompt is too old for you, PowerShell is update version, then you may want to try PowerShell. Just type the command and run dialog box. PowerShell command prompt is old version and PowerShell is update version. Here all our property here. Press Windows plus R. Look the display, run option came here. Now type of first command, entering mstfc. Now type on mstfc. This command feature, click enter. This command feature entering MSTSC info into the run dialog box opens the remote desktop connection app, which allow you to connect to other Windows computers over the local network or through the internet. This helps you see the most host computer as your own. Plus R. Now type on SDCLT. Now press enter. Look here, this command opens the backup and restore. SDCLT, this command opens the backup and restore window that allow you to quickly set up backup schedule or restore of any your previous backups. Set up backup if you want your Windows backup other drive or folder or hard disk. You start it. Set up backup. Now working. Windows 11 search bar not working here. 7 ways to fix it. The starting Windows backup. If you want to need your Windows backup, you try to this. So viewers, thank you watching this video. If this tutorial helpful for you, the most important, inspire me, subscribe and like and share. Stay connected with NSTech24. Next move, next one, and learn too much. Thank you watching this video.